Good morning, children. I hope you all safe and doing well. Class 5 Marigold, The Little Bully, Unit 8. This is our part 3 of the video. In this video, we are going to see some of the exercises. You all please open your page number Marigold 141. 141. First exercise is give the full forms of. There are given some short form contractions given here. We have to expand. We have to give the full forms. Number 1, won't. The full form of won't is will not, weren't, were not, wouldn't, would not. Last one is couldn't, could not. These are some of the expansions, full forms of the words. Next one is a girl was sitting quietly beside him. Hari leapt to his feet, crying loudly. Find 5 more words ending in ly, li. Like quietly, loudly, we have to tell some more words. There are number 1, ideally, number 2, logically, number 3, gratefully, number 4, definitely, number 5, secondly. These are some words ending in ly. Some of the words given here, we have to add ly to the following words. Clear, merry, weary, double, dreary, bright, bad, fond. We have to put ly in these words. Clear, clearly, merry, merrily, weary, wearily, double, doubly, dreary, drearily, bright, brightly, bad, badly, fond, fondly. For these words, we have to make sentences. Clearly, in this slide, we are making 4 sentences of these words. For clearly, merrily, wearily, and doubly. First sentence is, they were clearly lost in their way. Clearly. Next one is for merrily. We rolled along merrily. Merrily means happily. We rolled along merrily. Number 3, wearily means feeling tired. He smiled wearily while talking to me. Number 4, doubly, dugna काम करना. We are going to work doubly hard. Doubly hard means dugna काम करना. Next, few more sentences we have to make for these words. Drearily, brightly, badly, and fondly. Number 1 is, he walked drearily on the road. Drearily means sad, making you feel unhappy. He walked drearily on the road. Second one is, the sun was shining brightly in the morning. Brightly, chamakna. Next one is, I was badly starving in the evening. Badly starving, bhook lagna. Number 4, my parents spoke to me fondly, प्यार से. Fondly means प्यार से. My parents spoke to me fondly. Okay, these are some ly words and the sentences. Next one is, we are going to see about articles. There are 2 types of articles. Number 1 is indefinite articles. Number 2 is definite articles. Normally, a, an, and the. 3 words are called articles. In indefinite articles, a and an are indefinite articles. A and an normally point out singular nouns, but there is one difference between a and an. A represent the sound of consonants. A normally comes before consonants and an comes before vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. So, A comes before consonants and an comes before vowels or vowel sounds. Okay. So, we can say the article a and an used to introduce a singular noun. For singular noun, we have to put a and an. Next, we are going to see definite articles. The is called definite articles. The is represent for definite singular noun, particular place, particular thing, like moon, sun, Taj Mahal. We are talking about particular thing or place. So, here we have to put the article the. Like the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. एक ही sun है, इसलिए हम we have to put the sun. Okay, we never put a sun. Definite singular noun. In another case, the is used when we talk about the introduced noun, the second time. अगर एक बार हमने there is a, this is a stall, this is a stall हमने कह दिया, उसमें a stall, stall माने एक शॉप, एक दुकान. Next time अगर we are talking about the same stall, we have to put the stall. There is an umbrella, there is an umbrella on the stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. Stall is a noun, singular noun. First time we are using a, second time when we are talking about introduced noun, second time we have to put the. Okay. Another one is when there are plural nouns. When we are talking about plural nouns, we have to put the. Like the boxes, the balloons, the books. So plural nouns we have to put the. Okay. Some of the examples for the articles: a dog, a bus. Here dog and bus is a singular noun. So we have to put a. And another thing is dog. Dog mein first letter is D. Bus mein first letter is B. Both are consonant. So we should put, we have to put a. Yeah, bus, a dog. Okay. In the case of an octopus, an ice cream. Octopus first letter is O, that is a vowel. So we have to put an before that. Like in the case of ice cream, I is a vowel. So an ice cream. For the sun. Sun is a definite thing. We are talking about the particular thing. So we have to put the sun. Next example is the balloons. Balloons. Balloons is a plural noun. So we have to put the. Okay. Please go through it again. Again we are having some more examples here. Read these sentences carefully. I ate an apple. I ate an apple. Apple is a singular noun. Apple start with a vowel A. So we have to put an here. A boy is standing under the tree. A boy is standing. A boy. Boy is a singular and B is a consonant letter. So we have to put A here. A boy is standing under the tree. Third one is the sun rises in the east. The sun. Already we have seen here. Sun is the definite thing. कुछ particular thing के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. There is only one sun. The sun rises in the east. A and an do not point out any definite or particular person or thing, whereas the is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. Clear? Remember, an is used before words beginning with a vowel A, E, I, O, U. We got seen it already. Next one is some of the filling the blanks given here. We have to put suitable articles. Filling the blanks with suitable articles. One is Hari was dash unpopular boy. After dash you see the word unpopular. U is a vowel. So we have to put here an. Hari was an unpopular boy. Second one is the boys and girls went to dash seaside for a picnic. Went to dash seaside. Seaside is a particular place. So we have to put here the. The boys and girls went to the seaside for a picnic. Number 3. He saw dash big crab coming towards him. Crab. Crab is a singular noun. Big. B is a consonant sound. So, he saw a big crab coming towards him. Number 4. I found dash empty bottle floating in the water. Empty. Empty is start with E. E is a vowel sound. So, an. I found an empty bottle floating in the water. Last one is see dash sea creatures. It is food. Listen the word sea creatures. Plural nouns. So here the sea creatures. It is food. These are some of the articles. Next one, can you tell the differences between a turtle and a tortoise? Given the picture of turtle and tortoise. See the picture carefully. When we see, both are looking same, but they have lot of differences here. Both are reptiles, but tortoise lives most of the time in land, but turtle always in water, lives in water. The turtle's feet, flat feet होता है, पर tortoise के feet ऐसे होता है जैसे elephant की तरह. Foot like elephant. Tortoise is always bigger than turtle, or turtle live 20 to 40 years, but tortoise live 80 to 150 years. 150 साल तक वो जीवित रह सकते हैं. These are some of the differences between a turtle and a tortoise. You write yourself. Okay? You make sentences and you write the differences. Thank you very much.